Ulcer and gastritis can turn your stomach into a battlefield. Let me show you powerful natural remedies that many people use to heal fast. These are simple, accessible, and effective when used correctly. Ulcer and gastritis are common digestive conditions that affect millions of people. They can cause burning pain, stomach discomfort, bloating, and even loss of appetite. Many people do not know that certain natural remedies can help the stomach heal faster when combined with the right lifestyle adjustments. Before we talk about the remedies, you need to understand what causes these conditions and the hidden signs your body may be giving you. Ulcer forms when the protective lining of the stomach or upper intestine becomes weak or damaged. One major cause is an infection by a bacteria called Helicobacter pylori. This bacteria survives in the acidic environment of the stomach and slowly destroys the protective lining. Long-term use of irritant drugs like pain relievers such as ibuprofen can also damage the stomach wall. Excess alcohol intake, prolonged fasting, strong stress, and poor eating habits also weaken the stomach lining. Some causes are obvious, while others hide in daily habits. Eating late at night forces the stomach to produce acid when it should be resting. Skipping meals for long hours creates empty acid pockets that burn the stomach wall. Smoking weakens the tissues that protect the stomach. Excess caffeine irritates the stomach lining. Hot pepper and excessive spicy foods stimulate too much stomach acid. Harsh herbal concoctions and bitter mixtures taken without guidance can also irritate the lining. Uncontrolled stress triggers chemical reactions that increase stomach acid production. All these gradually damage the stomach and lead to ulcer or gastritis. Some symptoms are well known, like burning upper stomach pain that improves when you eat and returns when the stomach gets empty. But several hidden symptoms often confuse people. Unexplained nausea and vomiting can be signs. Bitter taste in the mouth that keeps coming back may be connected. Unusual bloating and burping after small meals are early warnings. Pain that radiates to the back or chest may also come from an irritated stomach. Constant tiredness happens because the body struggles to absorb nutrients. Dark stool or stool that smells unusually strong may indicate deeper ulceration. Long-lasting loss of appetite is also common. Many people do not know that mouth odor can come from untreated ulcer because the bacteria produce strong gases. If you notice these signs for several days, your stomach may be crying for healing.
Now let us look at simple lifestyle changes that help the stomach heal. Eat smaller meals more often instead of eating 1 or 2 heavy meals. Reduce strong spices and avoid pepper when you feel irritation. Limit coffee and avoid alcohol because they increase stomach acid. Drink enough clean water daily to support digestion. Never lie down immediately after eating. Avoid late-night meals because your stomach needs rest. Reduce stress by practicing deep breathing or mild exercise. Protect your stomach when using pain relievers by never taking them on an empty stomach. When you combine these habits with natural remedies, healing becomes faster and more stable. Now let us talk about the treatments. In my practice, I have used several natural remedies with very impressive results. These remedies are easy to prepare and the ingredients are available in many markets. The first remedy is a blend of cabbage, ginger, garlic, and cloves. Cabbage contains healing compounds that repair the stomach lining. Ginger reduces inflammation and improves digestion. Garlic fights harmful bacteria, including Helicobacter pylori. Cloves have strong antimicrobial properties that help clear infections. To prepare this remedy, get 1 medium-sized cabbage, 3 fresh ginger pieces, 1 bulb of garlic, and 100 grams of cloves. Blend all of them with 2 liters of clean water. After blending, filter the mixture and store it in a refrigerator. Drink half a glass 2 to 3 times daily for 1 month. This extract helps kill Helicobacter pylori and promotes healing of the stomach lining. Another effective remedy involves aloe vera, garlic, and ginger combined with grape wine. Aloe vera gel soothes the stomach and repairs the lining. Garlic and ginger fight bacteria and reduce inflammation. To prepare this mixture, get 1 to 2 mature aloe vera leaves. Cut them open and remove the gel. Pound both the leaf and the gel together until smooth. Add 1 pounded bulb of garlic and 3 medium ginger roots. Mix all of them inside a full bottle of good non-alcoholic grape wine. Allow the mixture to stand for 72 hours. After that, filter and drink half a glass 2 times daily for 1 month. This blend calms the stomach, reduces irritation, and supports healing. There is also a strong herbal remedy made from a combination of roots and leaves. This mixture is powerful and supports healing of ulcers, gastritis, and even urinary tract infections because many of the herbs have broad antimicrobial activity. To prepare it, gather the following items. 1 large bara fruit, also known as Citrullus colocynthus. 10 bulbs of maca root, also called baka. 1 big fruit of Picralima nitida. 100 grams each of snake root, also known as Rauwolfia serpentine, Anthoclysta dialinensis, Osisi kaguru, and Uvaria chamai, also known as bush banana. Add fresh leaves of Gangrenema latifolium, also known as utazi, and leaves of soursop. Boil everything together in 5 liters of water. After boiling well, filter the mixture and drink 1 glass 2 to 3 times daily for 1 month. This infusion helps heal ulcers and gastritis. It kills Helicobacter pylori and other bacteria that cause infections. These roots and herbs can be purchased from open herbal markets in Nigeria. When using any natural remedy, consistency is the key. The stomach lining takes time to repair. It does not heal overnight. Avoid irritants like alcohol, strong pepper, and pain relievers during treatment. Also avoid long fasting because the stomach needs gentle support. Combine the remedies with healthy eating. Take fruits that are gentle on the stomach like banana and pawpaw. Avoid citrus fruits during active ulcer. With discipline and the right remedies, your stomach can recover fully and remain stable. Take your stomach health seriously. Start one of these remedies today and stay consistent for the full month. Your body will thank you. Which of these remedies are you willing to try first for your ulcer or gastritis recovery?